Did you know a Xerox repair technician created a $2.8 million counterfeiting empire using his own company's machines? Barry Ira Geller was just another trusted technician in 1990s New York, fixing high-end copiers across the city. But during routine service calls, he was running a completely different operation. While customers watched him work, he was secretly testing paper and ink combinations on their own equipment. He stole company supplies and used corporate accounts to perfect his craft. His specialty? Government documents that looked absolutely real. Social security cards, driver's licenses, green cards, all created during what looked like normal maintenance visits. For years, no one suspected the quiet repair guy was building a massive identity fraud network. Until federal agents raided his apartment and found thousands of blank documents, professional printing equipment, and detailed customer lists. His forgeries were so perfect, they had fooled multiple government agencies. The case was so shocking, it changed security protocols for official documents nationwide. A trusted employee had turned routine maintenance into criminal mastery.